many questions to hold. You smile like forever, but your eyes kept searching my life. You asked about houses, papers, plans, never asked if I'd be alright. I gave you patience, late night calls, dreams I couldn't buy. But every time I said someday, you looked away, quiet inside. I was tired of struggling, tired of broke, tired of watching life pass by. Love of overseas meant safety, didn't know it came with tears inside. I didn't mean to count your money, I was counting my feet. I just wanted a future, didn't know love was already here. We were holding different meanings, calling it the same name. Was it love or the visa? Was I real or a reason? You loved me, I loved the dream. Now the truth's revealing. When the fantasy faded and the numbers said no, you stayed with the hope.